Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about duplicates on spreadsheets. So, I have this spreadsheet. Imagine that I own a business, and these are my customers and purchases they have made. I have sorted the purchases by date, from oldest to newest. Now, the thing here is that I have some repeat customers. So, for example, Carson Eric is a repeat customer. He purchased again on a different date, and again and again. Also, Lakes Allison is a repeat customer. She's here and here. So is Thompson Walter, here and here. So I have a number of repeat customers. So if I wanted to export a customers list, not including repeat customers, so I don't want any duplicates here in my customers, I would go to the Data tab up here, and from the Data ribbon, go to the Data Tools group. This button here in the middle is the Remove Duplicates button. Click on it. From this box, I can select where to delete duplicate values from. So I will keep surname and I will keep first name. I don't care about address, purchases, or date. So I want duplicates to be deleted from these two columns, surname and first name. And click on OK. So it tells me that 12 duplicate values found and removed. Now I have 26 unique values remain. So now I have no duplicate entries of my customers. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.